everyone, my name is Meena and I'm here with another DIY course for you all from What's Your Hobby. And this course is all about making paper flowers. Have you been searching for that perfect website where you can nurture your love for paper flowers? Well, you have landed at the right place. Here I have for you a series of videos as a DIY course. In each video, I'll walk you through making varieties of paper flowers, all ranging from moderate to easy level of difficulty. And I will have step-by-step descriptions to make your life much more easier. Are you curious to know how this course is going to unfold? First, we'll have videos on how to make paper leaves and flower buds. Then we'll have videos on how to make flowers from crepe paper and tinted papers. And I'm sure these flowers that you make are going to captivate the eyes that fall upon them. Now let me tell you about the materials that you will need for this course. You will need crepe papers and tinted papers of various colors and green and brown floral tapes. And finally, you will need basic stationery like a sharp pair of scissors, glue gun and so on. And yeah, that's it. So bye for now and I hope to see you all in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.